In days to come, online teaching will pick up steam until schools and colleges are safe to reopen. Teachers from primary school to college may prefer online teaching to classroom teaching as social distancing may become the new norm for the near future. Teachers who are so far used to blackboard teaching in classrooms can do the same online, but will have to learn some newer methods. Teachers, for a change, will have to become students to learn something new. As it is said, learning is a continuous process, and there is always a sense of achievement and pride and happiness when you have learned something new, whether it is a new hobby or a skill or a new recipe. There are huge opportunities in online teaching. So teachers would be wise and they would need to innovate a little in order to deliver their lectures online. Rest assured that this can be done with easily available materials at home. One can use so many methods. In this video, I'll show you how to record a video of your handwriting on a sheet of A4 paper using your phone camera and share it online. Rest assured that you will not need to buy anything and can use things available in all households to construct an overhead smartphone camera mount. Once that is done, you can proceed to write, draw on a paper on your desk, capture the video, edit it and share it online. If you like this video, please press the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC and press the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. So let's proceed to the setup.
So here's the setup. In the center of the frame you will see two coat hangers placed one above another in an intertwined manner. The ends of the coat hangers are supported on two piles of books here. There is an open space in between, and on the table you can see my A4 sheet of paper resting with a pen on it. Here is the setup. I have two piles of books placed on boxes on my center table with sufficient clearance and distance between them to support the top frame. You will have to heed a few principles. The first principle is that you need a stable frame. The second is that the distance between the phone camera and the paper should be the same distance which you use for safe eyesight. This should be approximately 1 foot. The third principle is that the possibilities are limited only by what materials you have at home. If you want to get better gadgets later online, there are tabletop phone holders available for this specific purpose. In this video, I will show you one method of making an overhead phone camera frame. It has been made out of two hangers which have been intertwined. The sheet of paper is placed below this and the phone camera will be rested on the frame offered by the phone hangers. You can download a writing app and write on a tablet also. In case you like to live stream your lecture to several students at a particular time, you can do this also if you have a YouTube account with more than 1000 subscribers. We are going to learn how to teach online by writing on a paper like a blackboard. For example, if you want to explain to your students how to calculate the area of a rectangle, so this is the rectangle. And it has got A and B. Say, suppose you want to calculate the area of a rectangle. So you know the formula for the area of a rectangle. A is the area of the rectangle is equal to small a into small b. That's the formula for area of a rectangle. Now suppose you want to teach your students the area of a square. Let's draw a square here. What's the area of a square? So if the one side of the square is represented by the symbol or letter A, it has got 4 sides. So the area of a square A is equal to A square. So like this you can explain anything. What is the area? This is a circle. What is the area of a circle? It is pi r squared, and so on and so forth. So if you want to teach online and save paper, you can easily do that by writing on a tablet. Here I have opened my Samsung tablet and this is my S Pen. I can choose a color in this app. This is an app which is available on the Google Play Store. So you can choose an app, you can choose a color, and then you can customize your pen, and then you can make the stroke size larger. You can customize it. Say for example you want to increase the size to a little thicker and choose OK. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any fresh ideas to achieve the same thing, let me know through your comments below. I'll see you in the next video.